Here we come to the elevator at the Quality Suites Hotel by the Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. It's a Schindler 320, I think it's a 321A, but I'm not sure, considering this was installed in 2001, as this hotel was opened in 2002, between 2001, 2002. But anyways, let's ride. Here we go. They still have the standard HT lantern, but the fixtures were obviously replaced too. Go down one. This is definitely an early Schindler HT elevator. See, based on that indicator right there, the directional lantern, the fixtures have obviously been replaced at a time because they used to have standard HT fixtures. This has got to be an early Schindler HT elevator. I think this is a 321A based on the sound of it, and judging by the layout of the cab and the capacity, considering it's only 2,100 pounds. It's just like this thing reminds me of the one at my middle school, except that it still has the original HT standard fixtures. But anyways, I think we might go for one more ride. Here we go. And look how much of a short distance it is. You see? It's kind of not very far based on this height. See, look at this. It's kind of not too far. But anyways, we're going to go back down now. All right, back down to one and there. And if you look at the interlock right there, see, it says that this elevator was installed in July of 2000. So this obviously makes it a 321A, because 321A was discontinued probably early to mid 2001. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.